Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi, welcome back to another video tutorial on PostgreSQL. This time we are going to work on a specific scenario where we are planning to use distinct on multiple columns. Let's begin the session. In this session, we are concentrating on distinct clause, which is used in select statement to remove duplicate rows from a result set. We can use distinct clause not only in single column but also in multiple columns. Let's start with this syntax. If we specify multiple columns, the distinct clause will evaluate the duplicate based on the combination of values of those columns. In this case, the combination of values in both column 1 and column 2 will be used for evaluating the duplicates. Now consider the distinct on clause. First we have to use distinct on clause to a column and alias it and specify other column. Then table name in from clause, and finally we use order by clause on both the columns. It is always a good practice to use the order by clause with the distinct on clause to make the result set predictable. This query structure will return the first row of each group of duplicates. Now we are going to explain distinct clause with example. In this demonstration, we are going to work with color table, which contains 3 columns: ID, bcolor and fcolor. This bcolor and fcolor contains name of color like red, green, etc. Now we execute the distinct clause separately on bcolor and fcolor columns. Bcolor contains 3 unique colors: green, blue and red. It also contains null value. In case of fcolor, the results are same. Excluding null, it contains 3 unique colors: green, blue and red. Now we use distinct clause on both bcolor and fcolor together. As we specified bcolor and fcolor columns in the distinct clause, Postgre combined the values in both bcolor and fcolor columns to evaluate uniqueness of the rows. The color table has more than one row with red value in both the columns, but distinct clause extracts only one from them, as others are the copy of the same combination. We have used order by clause so that our query can return the result in a structured way. Finally, the distinct on clause. It will return only one row from each group of duplicates. Let's consider this set. For simple distinct, we have 3 rows for blue value for bcolor columns. In case of distinct on, it will choose one row from this group. Let's execute this. From our previous group, it returned one row, blue, blue. Similar to this, it also returned one row from each green and red groups. We have finished our demonstration in pgadmin, now returning to the presentation. In today's session, we have explained how to use distinct clause on multiple columns. That's all for today.